Welcome to Secrets Out Idaho. Each week, we let you in on the secrets of Southern Idaho and speak to the people who make it such a unique hidden gem. I'm your host, Connie Stouffer. I'm here today with Sonya Haines with United Way of South Central Idaho. She's going to share with us one of the 12 cool things to give. Welcome, Sonya.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Thanks for being here.
Oh, this is such a great opportunity. Thank you for doing the 12 cool things to give. It has been a great opportunity for the United Way to really share some gaps that are happening in the community. One of them that has been just mind-blowing to me is Lice kids. And not everybody wants to talk about the bug sponsor, which as I've been naming it now, but there is always in the schools and also with homeless shelters and domestic violence shelters and so on and so forth, is there's an outbreak of lice. And the thing about lice is it doesn't discriminate.
Nope.
It does not. It's
going to get you if it's close enough.
It's going to get you. Yes. It doesn't say, oh, you've got clean hair and you don't have clean hair. It literally goes where there's hair.
Yeah.
So, and that includes pets.
Oh.
So, lice kits, I don't know if anyone has purchased one, but do you know how much a lice kit is on average?
I have no idea.
It is anywhere from $8 for a refill kit to $19 for a whole encompassing, which has the knit comb and has all the other pieces to it.
That could be expensive for a family, especially if you've got like a couple of
even
kids.
$8 is a refill kit, which is the shampoo and conditioner, and then sometimes it'll have the knit comb and sometimes it doesn't. But it just literally, it is so important to families to be able to have this resource available in the schools and then also in the other partners that we have. It is amazing how many people, though, don't necessarily want to talk about it.
No.
But I think that when you're out in there in the community and you're in a store and you're like, you know what, I'm going to grab a lice kit, or if you see them on sale, or, you know, they're buy one, get one, or you see anything, please, please, please definitely buy that lice kit and take it to either anywhere, really. The food pantries, the schools need you.
Yeah, I'm sure that, you know, it's pretty common for there to be lice outbreaks at some point in a kid's school year. And so if parents are out there and their kids unfortunately have been attacked by this and they're buying a kit for their kids, if they can afford to buy another one, take them to the school, because more than likely their classmates also have it, and they probably have a classmate who can't afford it. And if they really want to help keep it out of the schools, helping their fellow classmates is a good way to go about it. Well,
and you bring up a really good point. I'm thinking like now it's making me think as a parent. I have an 8 and a 10-year-old, and I get those letters home that say, hey, just heads up, we had a lice outbreak. Be watching your child. You know, at that very moment, feel so blessed that your child does not currently have the, you know, be a bug sponsor.
Yeah.
You know, go out and say, you know what, right now we're safe, but I feel for that family. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to buy a lice kit and take it to school and say, I'm sure that the families that the Lice chose this month could really use this, because it is a hardship on the schools. They don't have a ton of money, and that can even absorb their little budget up really quickly. So. Yeah.
And just a nice blessing for that family, because for those who have experienced it, you got a home, you got to boil all your sheets, and you got to get it's a whole production to make sure that to clear out your house,
and we've been sitting here talking about, recording some other of the 12 cool things to give. And it's been interesting because you need detergent, which is on the 12 cool things. You need pillows, which is on here. And it's just interesting how all of it comes together in that we all need those different little things that are gaps. Yeah. And you wouldn't think about how it impacts a family as something so simple as their, 5 children got lice. They need to replace all the pillows. They have to wash all the laundry. I mean, it just literally can drive a family into a deeper.
Because they're gonna make those cost benefit analysis. They're gonna be like, well, we obviously need the Lice shampoo, so they're gonna go out and spend the money on that. And then they're gonna be like, well, kids, I mean, we had to spend all the money. They don't have pillows now.
Yep. You have to replace the pillows.
Yeah. So they're gonna get rid of all their pillows, and now, I mean, and so
or do they get rid of the pillows? I mean, that's the thing they're like, oh, I think I'll spray them down and hope that it doesn't come back. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm a parent. I like, do I really have to throw them away? And so that's kind of the point, is it just really puts those families in a further vulnerable situation.
Yeah, you don't realize kind of the spiral that it'll go down with just one small incident that It's nobody's fault. It just happened. You went to school and you came home
I
with
guess
lice.
just, my thoughts are, let's be bug sponsors, let's embrace it. Let's talk about the realities of it. It's a reality. And again, it does not discriminate.
Nope.
It does not. It will come to those that are, have hair. And so just let's be bug sponsors. Let's be really, really intentional with how we're serving and be able to say, you know what, I'm here to buy 10 lice kits could really help a school and really help families.
And it might be a nice thing to do. It's a nice thing to do any time of year because lice happen all year long, but also beginning of school years when you're buying school supplies, pop in a couple of lice kits and drop when you're dropping off the school supplies.
Yep.
That's a good time to do it, but anytime if you're listening
and
now.
And as a workplace giving campaign, I mean, how fun to be like, let's be bug sponsors, let's everybody bring in one lice kit and together we can impact our local community because literally we serve over 47 schools. Not one school has said we don't need it. Valley House, Voices Against Violence, Boys and Girls Club. Boys and Girls Club was like, please bring them in. Again, it's not that it's just something we need to talk about and no one really wants to talk about it without itching and starting to act all weird about it. But it is a reality and it's happening and we need to help each other. We need to lift each other up and we need to be bug sponsors.
Yeah. So it sounds like schools, shelters, Boys and Girls Clubs, maybe even like your local, if you take your child to daycare or things like that, they could probably use them.
Yes.
Any other places or we hit most of them?
I think that's pretty good.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You can find out more about the 12 cool things to give at unitedwayscid.org or on our website at southernidaho.org/lifestyle. Thanks, Sonya.
Thank you so much.